Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can add a bank account in Wise app. So to do so, first of all, you need to log into your Wise app and then you need to be in this home screen over here. So you can add your bank details or your bank account when you're sending money. So to do that, first of all, we have to send money. Just tap on send money over here. And then write down an amount that you want to send them. I'm choosing the Chinese yuan. So there's a limit, so I'm going to put a lesser amount. Okay, now you can just tap on continue. And finally, you can see this option that says enter bank details. So this is the solution. So just tap on enter bank details. And you can just either add your bank account or someone else's. So guys, that's how you add your bank account in your Wise app. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. See you again next time. Thank you for watching.